Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson, and I'm back today with another 4 trades. The first 2 I was just scalping, going with the trend, and the next 2 at the bottom were I did during the London close, which produces a pullback. So today's date is May the 27th, and I was working basically on Euro Aussie with 2 trades and Euro New Zealand with 2 trades. So I bought it the first time as the meter was suggesting it could give me a few more pips, and that's basically all I got out of it. So let's see now, at 8 minutes to 10 this morning, I took the trade here at this cursor, and I decided to close it out here with only looks like 5 pips. And those 5 pips paid $263. Now remember, scalping is roughly 3 to 10 pips, and of course everything above 10 pips is a bonus. And I knew that it was approaching very close to the London close, which is, let's take a look at this. So I put a vertical line on each of them. This is the London close time, is 11 a.m. New York time. Now it can happen an hour before, like say 10 or 11 or even 12. It's not exactly right at 11 a.m. New York time. So I did exactly the same thing on the Euro New Zealand. I bought it. Let's drag and drop it up. I did exactly the same thing. I was only scalping. I thought today was just going to be a scalping day, but it turned into more than just scalping. And I did exactly the same thing. I closed it out at this point as it was hitting some kind of level of resistance with about, looks like 6 pips. And those 6 pips on the Euro New Zealand paid $327. Now I just put both charts on the 15-minute time frame so that you can see how many pips it got within the blue box. It actually moved a lot. I came really late to the computer this morning, so I knew that I wasn't looking for a lot of pips, at least not going with the trend. And as you can easily see on both of these, it's trending upward. So Euro Aussie today did 223 pips, and the Euro New Zealand did 171 pips. Okay, let's work on the London close trades. So as it was approaching near the top up here, after doing a lot of pips within the blue box, I knew that it was going to do a pullback towards the moving averages. So let's run a check on this Euro New Zealand, drag and drop it up. So I got in the trade here. It did a little bit more of a cycle up, but as soon as I saw this red candle with this pin bar, I knew that it was going to give me some pips. So at approximately 18 minutes after 10, I took the trade here and eventually just decided to close it out here as I had enough pips. It looks like 18 pips. And those 18 pips on the Euro New Zealand paid $1,035. Let's move on to the last pair, the Euro Aussie. almost 18 minutes after 10 this morning at the same time. I sold this one to try to catch the London close. As I said, same as the other one, it did a little bit of a cycle up, but then I knew it was going to come down. It still can come down some more, but I'm happy with the pip totals. So at this cursor I got in and I closed out the trade. It looks like 29 pips, and 29 pips on the Euro Aussie gave me $1,869. So for the pip total today was 58 pips, and that 58 pips produced $3,496. So all in all, trading the London close was a good decision today. Now I teach how to trade exactly this way within the training videos, the ones that are called How to Trade the London Close. I normally like to catch the move going up or like trending up on both of these, but I was late coming to the computer, so I just had to grab whatever the market would give me. So if your system is not producing, like my Magic Trigger, I suggest you get your hands on it. And to do so, all you have to do is look right below this video and you'll see this right up. It's the Magic Trigger system that I do charge $250. Now I have a limited special offer going for those who buy the Magic Trigger system, and for an extra $50 I'll throw in the Golden Trigger system and the Pip Trigger system. So that package, those three are valued at $750, and I'm letting it go for $300. So they're very similar as to this one. If you get all three of them, then you'll get 3 times the package. Instead of 3.5 gigabytes, it's well over 10 gigabytes and 108 training videos. So this individual one right here, the Magic Trigger, comes with 36 training videos, and of course you'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. Now it comes with 4 MT4 templates along with 10 custom indicators and my favorite meter, this one here. I wouldn't trade without it because it tells me which is the best pairs to be trading. It actually takes a lot of the guesswork out. And I teach exactly what you should be looking for and how to use the meter. So within the package, there's a lot of PDF books and a lot of Word documents with giving you a lot of education, teaching you how to trade the markets. Now my first 2 trades I put in, they were a great way to trade. It only gave me like a couple of scalp trades. And then of course the other 2 trades, I traded how to trade the London Close here. So within all of these training videos, I give a lot of trading tips. I teach how to backtest the Magic Trigger, how to scalp the market, as I did today, how to scan the market. I teach how to trade all 3 sessions, and as I've done today, how to trade the London Close. And that could also be it's very similar, pretty much the same thing. At any other given time, it'll be called how to trade the pullbacks to the goal line. And this, like this trade right here, you could easily come back to the goal line. But I was happy with the totals, and that is why I closed the trade. Now I teach how to trade reversals. That's where, like right in here, this is a pullback to the goal line. It broke through and kept going, so I call that a reversal. Now I teach how to trade the channel. In other words, we're buying low and selling high, generally when things line up. Now I jump the gun knowing that it's approaching the London Close, and I didn't wait for everything to line up fully, so I call that trading aggressively. And if you wait for everything to line up, then that's more of a conservative trader. I teach both of those ways. Of course, I teach how to trade around the goal line, like this area right here, or a little bit prior to that during the London time. There's always a lot of trading opportunities at the goal line. That's why I colored it gold, because it's a gold mine. You're going to get a lot of gold around the goal line. So let's see, I teach how to trade the news, which is very difficult to do, but it is doable. And I also teach how to trade with a day job. Now, I never trade that way because I don't have a day job. But if you have a day job, you can certainly trade the way I teach it within the videos. So if you have any questions with regards to my Magic Trigger system or any other questions, all you got to do is pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. or if you live too far, you just send me an email. Remember, there's an underscore right here, Forex underscore. Now, I do prefer Skype. And through Skype screen sharing, I'll give you a free session. I made it simple and easy for you. All you got to do is click on this link and we'll have contact. Now, over the past 10 years or so, I've been building trigger systems. I do have 26 of them. And if you want to see screenshots of them, all you got to do is click on this link. And of course, about 4 months ago, I did a review. At the time, it was my best 2 trigger systems. Just click on this link. And then after I merged them 2 together and came up with the magic trigger, I did a review on it. Just have to click on this link here. So I do believe that just about wraps up this video. Another excellent day for trading. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trade, good luck with your trading and keep yourself and your family safe. Bye for now.